Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a UK TikTok account which is eligible for monetization. Yeah. So without wasting my time, let's get started. But before we start, if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave your comments in the comment section, right? So what you need to do first is to open our browser, right? Okay. So you open a new tab and then type in tiktok.com. Okay, then you hit enter. So you just wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load, right? Okay, so when the interface loads, I think we entered the wrong URL. So tiktok.com. Okay, so this the tiktok.com, as you can see. So you select the first one. Okay, the very first one you see, that's what you're going to select. So after selecting it, it's going to open or launch the TikTok. Okay, so as you can see, there's some videos popping up, but that's not the reason for this particular video. So you just head over to login. Okay, so you tap on login. Okay, so when you tap on login, you swipe down. Okay, you swipe down and then you see Ghana over here. Okay, so you are going to select Ghana. Then this is where you are going to change the country. Okay, I'll advise you to watch the video to the very end so that you not miss any part of the video. So in this place, you're going to type in United Kingdom, right? United Kingdom, which is the same as UK, or you just simply swipe down. Okay, swipe down to the very bottom and then select United Kingdom over here. Then you tap on done. Okay, so it's going to change from Ghana to United Kingdom. It means anything we are going to do over here, it's going to be recognized in the United Kingdom. Okay, yeah, so I was just showing you how to change the country. So what you need to do is to tap on sign up. Okay, yeah, as you can see, the country is still in the United Kingdom, so it means you can proceed, right? So what you need to do is to either use your phone number or your email, and then the second option is use Facebook account or Google account. So in this part, I will advise you to use the first one, which is the phone number or email. Okay, so when you select it, um, our date of birth, for the sake of the video, let's just use 1st January and then maybe 2000. Yeah, just any random one. Yeah, but here you are not going to use a phone number, right? You're going to use email. Okay, you're going to use email. So I'm going to enter my email then at gmail.com. Okay, so you see a pop-up, then you select the one you want. Okay, so you are going to create a password. For security reasons, I'm not going to show my password over here. So you make sure the password is from 8 is between 8 to 20 characters, and then it should involve either um, a special character or any symbol at all. Then you send code, right? You send code. So you tap on send code. You're going to send the verification code to your email. Okay, you're going to send the verification code to your email. So the verification code has been sent. As you can see, the timer is running down. So you move to our email, and then as you can see, this the email they sent. So you just copy it and then paste it over here. So that's my email. So if you want to receive if you want to be getting newsletters, promotion, and then recommendations from TikTok, you can just tick this box and then tap on next. But I don't want any newsletters or promotion or any other stuff, so I'll just untick it and then tap on next. Okay, so you just wait for it to load, and then you can choose to save your password here. That one is up to you. Okay, so with the username, let's use Emmanuel, and the username won't be available, but just let's use Emmanuel, maybe underscore 26. Okay, so the suggested one is Emmanuel underscore 267. Then go to sign up. If you don't enter any username, it's going to give you any random username at all. Okay. And so after entering your username, you just wait for it to load. Then at that check whether it has been created successfully, right? So let's wait for it to load. Then you check um the region of the account. Okay, so we head over to profile, right? We head over to profile. Wait for it to load as well. Yeah, so assuming we didn't pick any username at all, this place will be showing user maybe 12345 6, depending on the username TikTok will generate for you, right? Okay, so this is how we check the region of your account. You head over to settings. Okay, you head over to settings, then you swipe down. As you can see, the region is over here. Yeah, the region is over here. If you don't use the method I just showed you, if you create an account, it will either show Ghana or any other country except the United Kingdom, depending on where you created the account. Okay, so with the requirements for the monetization, you're supposed to get, I think, 10,000 um 10,000 followers to be able to um apply for the TikTok monetization. Okay, so I'll also leave a link to a website where you can get cheaper followers which are organic, um, which you can use for your monetization, or you can choose to grow them without boosting. But if you want to boost your channel, whether being TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, any channel at all, you can simply visit blackboost.com. Okay, you just visit blackboost.com and then create an account. As you can see, it's all about boosting social media accounts. Once you are done, just apply for the monetization. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.